32 new features, 71 bug fixes, 11 improvements under the hood. The biggest patch lands on /commands and settings, /config. Finally persists, with project, local, and policy precedence. The /command picker stops jumping mid-search. Wimp mode no longer pulls queued messages back on SQ. And settings stop getting invalidated by legacy enum values or by a single malformed hooks entry. All of that now patched. Before we dig deeper, 6 changes that actually matter. PowerShell replaces Git for Windows. Claude ultrareview runs headless. /config persists on restart. MCP servers got an alwaysLoad flag. PostToolUse hooks override any tool's output. And /resume now finds sessions by URL. Those are the headlines. Now the details. Headless and SDK tools got serious. Claude ultrareview runs non-interactively from any script or CI job. -- from PR now accepts GitLab, Bitbucket, and GitHub enterprise URLs. The SDK gets Claude Code fork superagent working in non-interactive sessions. And MCP Authenticate supports redirect URI for custom scheme completion. Pipe it, script it, ship it. Performance got a quiet pass. Recent activity panel removed for faster cold start. LSP diagnostic summaries expand on click instead of dumping inline. Multiple memory leaks plugged, image processing /usage on large transcripts, long-running tools that fail to emit progress. And dangerously, skip permission stops prompting on .claude directory writes. The plugin system picked up real polish. Claude plugin prune removes orphaned auto-installed dependencies. MCP servers with startup errors auto-retry up to 3 times. ToolSearch now finds MCP tools that connect after a session starts, and plugins pinned by version constraints auto-update to the highest matching tag. Small additions, huge for plugin authors. Terminal rendering got a major cleanup. Fullscreen mode no longer jumps scroll after scrolling up. Dialogues that overflow your terminal now scroll with arrow keys and mouse wheel. Wrapped URLs in full screen open the full URL when clicked. Scrollback duplication is fixed across item2 and Ghostty. Networking got overdue attention. No proxy is finally respected for all HTTP clients. MCP HTTP and OAuth got resilience. Invalid responses no longer break the connection, and the 401 retry loop is fixed. Claude.a. connectors with the same URL are deduplicated, and /MCP now flags duplicates and manually added server heights. And on the cloud side, Vertex A supports X.5, 09 workload identity federation, count tokens behind a proxy, and Bedrock gets a service tier env variable. Quiet wins for enterprise. To pull every fix from this video, run Claude update. That's it. Drop a like, comment which fix you needed most, and subscribe for the next version. Which one made your day? Tell me below.